April is Financial Literacy Month, and it is time to equip your teen with everything they need to master money and to secure their financial future. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid, the creator of the masterplaybook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. Listen, your teen might be able to add, subtract, and do basic trigonometry, but aside from sending money via Cash App, they don't really have a clue about what's coming their way in the next couple of years or how much it really costs being an adult. And so perhaps you are one of those intentional parents who have tried sitting your daughter down, showing her all the things that go into managing the household's money, the household expenses, but she's only interested in talking about what she's trying to order off of Shein, right? Or maybe you've tried sending your son or daughter articles from Yahoo Finance, but we already know they just get sent to the unread folder or sent directly to the trash folder, okay? And I know there are a lot of parents who actually try to casually share just how much they want their kids to spend, how they want their kids to spend their paychecks from these jobs that they are getting either now during the school year or during the summer that's coming up, right? But maybe it's just not connecting for them. And so, if that's been you, if you have been a parent that hasn't really been strict about money with your teen, let me tell you, it is time that you carve out some time to make sure that they know money doesn't grow on trees. I have the perfect solution for you. With April being Financial Literacy Month, we are hosting and kicking off our Future Millionaire Money Camp for teens ages 14 and up at the end of this month. Now, this is a 4 week curated curriculum to equip your teen with the things I know that they need to know and to support them to master these money fundamentals, right? So, we're going to be covering topics like saving and investing their money, how to spend money and use credit wisely, how to set goals, right? And earn the money at their age, and even help them develop somewhat of an entrepreneurial mindset. So, this is 4 weeks of interaction, right? Your teen isn't just going to be learning new vocabulary words, they are actually going to be exposed to real life scenarios that they can apply these money habits to so that it makes sense. So, all the things that you've been trying to teach them, finally, some light bulbs are going to go off and it's going to really click for them. Or it may just be some great positive reinforcement of the very things that you've been teaching them. And so, over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be hosting some information sessions. So, please follow the links in our show notes so that you can sign up for one of our information sessions that's going to be held on Tuesdays this month. And I'll just give you a quick preview. It's going to be 4 weeks of structured sessions. These are 1 hour of live instruction with me, and with every week, they will be given self paced action items that they will complete during the week to actually reinforce the money habits that we talk about during our live sessions. This is an engaging curriculum. So, I'm going to ask some questions when you enroll your teenager so that we can make sure that the curriculum is tailored to your child's interest and their skill level. You will gain access to an online portal, which is going to include some downloadable worksheets and activities. And one of the great things I love about our Money Camp for Teens is that we offer an opportunity for each and every participant to earn up to $100 in what we call Earn and Learn cash incentives, right? We want to award them for their participation, give them prizes, and each student will receive a certificate of completion. So we have several bonuses that we offer as well. And so I want you to go to the masterplaybook.com/teen dash info session and read all about it. Sign up for one of our information sessions coming up this week. And then I want you to learn more. This is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to hear all about the details, but more importantly, for you to ask your questions. All right. So here's the thing, it is difficult to master what you've never been taught. And that's why exposing our kids, teaching our kids about healthy money habits is so important. Not only do they master money, they're going to understand how credit and debt and investing, how it all works, and that it's not something that they should put off until they are out on their own, and really practicing, really in the throes of practicing adulthood. Instead, we're going to use this time to teach your teens the things that they need to know about money so that they can start making smart money decisions while they are under your roof, but more importantly, to leave them financially equipped for years to come. So I invite you to sign up for one of our information sessions. Follow the link in our show notes, and I'll see you there.